It's always humbling when you talk shit and you look down and you're doing something wrong. Or stupid.
Alright, let's get the music going again.
You look down and you're doing something wrong. She looks happy to be pumping gas. She's pumping diesel too. Alright, I don't have a turn signal on, that's good. It's always humbling when you talk shit and you look down and you're doing something wrong. Let's do the math on this. We've got a full gas tank. We've got 78.6 miles. Divide that by 1.483 gallons. 53 miles per gallon. That's pretty sweet. Everybody wants that many miles per gallon. All you need is this wonderful 250. Or a Prius. You get a Prius.
Look at all this fucking traffic. Just hope there's no cops. Always nice to find a few places you can go to get to the neighborhood. What do you guys think? Starbucks or Dunkin Donuts? Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Nice Jeep. Fuck it. This place. Get it all boarded off. Interesting. I spend more on gas than this guy does. But he can't do this. I feel like we should follow the sirens though and see where they're going. See if we can see a cool wreck. That sounds fun to me. Good, they're going the way I want to go. Nope, they're going straight. I lied. Alright, well, you guys go take care of that. I'll go get some donuts. I mean, that's the way it should be handled, right? You see any cops? Any cops? No? No? Alright, we're gonna go for it. Run that red arrow. Because I want to. Alright, don't see any lights. I think I'm in the clear. But, just in case, I'm heading to a donut shop. We'll arrive when we get there. Those are the heroes around here. If I eat shit, they're the first ones there, picking me up off the asphalt.
If I can find a key, maybe I'll leave the bike here and take the truck. What we got over here? Oh, I think I see a key. Oh, looky there. I'm in. Let's see if it'll work. Hey. Alright, I'll take the truck. That works for me. Goodbye, motorcycle. You have a good time.
Got the whole crew here.
Wonder what people think. This guy doesn't know what to think. Okay, green means go.